Hi, I'm Ted Parker, co-president of Vibrant Health, to tell you about Maximum Vibrance. Maximum Vibrance is a multi-supplement that combines our hero product, Green Vibrance, and our full-spectrum antioxidant superfood, Spectrum Vibrance, with a plant-based protein and an organic multivitamin. It is the most comprehensive supplement on the market today, providing the best nutritional science has to offer from plants, all in one scoop. With around 100 ingredients and near 40-gram serving size, Maximum Vibrance contains all known nutrients and comes closer to any other dietary supplement to being that one singular product that one can take in place of all other supplements. The only essential nutrient absent from the formula is essential fats, in particular omega-3 fatty acids. The 20 grams of protein per serving come from yellow pea protein, sprouted brown rice protein at 80% protein, and spirulina. The certified organic multivitamin, Organ Hem from Organetics, contains extracts of guava, lemon peel, amla fruit, sabancia leaves, holy basil, aerial parts, and annatto seeds. Much of the vitamin C comes from camu camu. Vitamin E comes from D-alpha tocopherol. The silica from bamboo extract, the zinc from guava fruit extract, B12 from methylcobalamin, and chromium from nicotinate. This potent formula provides daily vitamin and mineral percentages that meet or exceed the recommended daily allowance. And because Maximum Vibrance ingredients are almost entirely plant-derived, the absorption rates are extremely high. Vibrant Health is dedicated to crafting award-winning family of products with your optimal health in mind. As always, we source and manage every raw ingredient for this product for maximum quality and potency and fully disclose each ingredient by dose.